Yeah, they call me famous, but that's just my name. I'm rooted in oils, that's my real claim to fame. Rooted in essential oils is about a health journey.
Hey family, welcome back to Rooted in Essential Oils. My name is Famous and welcome to this video. I'm so glad you're here for this premiere because today, we're talking about one of the best sales that I've seen in a long time. And not just a regular sale. This is a chance for you to stack savings, get free products, get free shipping, and start creating a healthier, more natural lifestyle for you and your family. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you already know I'm big on saving money while choosing better, cleaner options for our homes, our bodies, and our wellness. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's jump right in. So you're probably wondering, what is a loyalty order? Let's start with something that a lot of people still don't realize. The loyalty order is the key to unlocking the biggest discounts. When you place a loyalty order, meaning you spend 100 PV stands for product value, or more, you automatically unlock a 24% off everything on the website. This discount lasts for a full year. Yes, 12 whole months of saving just from that first qualifying order. And here's what I love about it. You're not committed to anything crazy. You're not locked into buying things you don't need. You're simply switching out what you already buy. Supplements, cleaners, oils, hygiene products, skincare, wellness goodies. But now it's clean, toxin-free, and supports your overall health. And you get rewarded for it. Now here is where it gets even better. Once you unlock that 24% discount, you can stack another 10% off by using this discount code SHAREYL if you're a new customer. So in total, for many items, you're saving around 34% off or more, and that's before you even get your free gifts. This is how you shop smarter, not harder. This is how you stock up for the holidays. This is how you can take care of your body, your home, and your family without overspending. Okay, now let's talk about these free products because they are good. When you place your loyalty order of 100 PV, you're going to receive a free bottle of Spearmint Essential Oil. And listen, Spearmint is one of the most underrated oils out there. You can use this oil in a diffuser for fresh and uplifting energy. You can use it in homemade mouthwash or toothpaste. You can use it in baking or desserts like mint brownies or sugar-free mints. You can make mocktails and cocktails for a refreshing twist. You can use it for digestive support by adding a drop to a warm water with honey. You can make a DIY chest rub or muscle balm. It's clean, it's delicious, and it's versatile. And it's completely free just for doing a loyalty order. Something that already saves you 24% and gives you cash back. Now let's talk about the part people love the most. Free shipping. Cash back on future product purchases. When you shop smart through loyalty orders, Young Living rewards you with points. These points turn into cash back that you can use on future product purchases. So imagine this. You place your 100 PV order today. You unlock that 24% off. You add your SHAREYL code for 10% more savings. You get a free bottle of that Spearmint. Your shipping is free, and Young Living gives you cash back to use later. It's basically like they're paying you to take care of yourself. And right now, take advantage of this free shipping because from November 26th, which is today, until November 30th, you can get free shipping. All you have to do is place that 100 PV order. Free shipping means a lot to a lot of different people. And if I don't have to pay for shipping, whether I'm a new customer or a current customer, I'm going to take advantage of this deal while it's here, and you should too. Now let's upgrade this just a bit. When you spend 150 PV on your loyalty order, you're also getting the Wonderful Diffuser absolutely free. Let me tell you, this diffuser is that diffuser. It's small but mighty. Here is what makes the Wonderful Diffuser special. It's cordless. You can take it anywhere. It's rechargeable, perfect for travel. It runs for long periods of times. It's waterless, so no spills, no mess, and no refilling. It delivers strong, pure aroma. It's perfect for the car, office, bedroom, or bathroom. Imagine being able to diffuse oils on the go. No cord, no water, no fuss. That alone is worth getting the 150 PV order. This is a gift you will actually use daily. With this diffuser, you can diffuse for 10 hours on high and 18 hours on low before recharging. And it automatically shuts off when tipped over to ensure safety. Who can beat that? If you've been thinking about switching to cleaner products, if you've wanted to build your oil collection, if you wanted to start your wellness journey, or just save money, this is the moment to jump in. These deals help you stretch your dollar and get rewarded for every purchase. The savings stack, the freebie stack, the cash back stacks, and everything you're getting is plant-based, toxin-free, natural, and effective. Why pay more for harmful products at the store when you can easily pay less for clean, high-quality products that support your health? Here is a gift set called Christmas Spirit. No wax, no wicks, just plant-powered scents of the season. Perfect for giftable for hosts, neighbors, teachers, and anyone on your list. This comes with a Christmas Spirit Essential Oil, a Christmas Spirit Foaming Hand Soap, and a diffuser, and it comes gift wrapped already. The Thieves Home gift set is Mother Nature's best clean, beautifully boxed for effortless gifting. It comes with a foaming hand soap, a dish soap, and a kitchen and bath scrub. This next bundle is called the Winter Starter Bundle, and this is a great one because you will get 5 essential oils, a diffuser, and the Thieves cleaner that can clean any surface in your home. You get vanilla, grapefruit, evergreen essence, which smells like a forest and smells amazing, peppermint, and Christmas spirit with this bundle. The Premium Starter Bundle with Adobo Mist Diffuser. The Premium Starter Bundle comes with a diffuser and everything you need to jumpstart your clean living journey at the best value. In this bundle, you will get frankincense, lavender, lemon vitality, peppermint vitality, citrus fresh vitality, digest, thieves, panaway, peace and calming, raven, stress away, valor, 2 aroma glides, thieves spray, waterless hand sanitizer, 2 ninja red packets, and it all comes in this wonderful bundle, and I love it. And when you order it, you will love it too. This is the Simplified by Jacob and Kate Winter Collection, and you get 3 essential oils in this collection, and it is like a seasonal thing. So these don't always stick around. The scent do change. So if you're into seasonal candles, this is a better option because you can diffuse essential oils that are plant-based into your home that you are breathing, and you're not polluting the air that you're breathing into your home. So with this collection, you do get 3 scents. One is Cinnamon Roll, which smells amazing, Hazelnut Haven, which is also a great one, and Pink Champagne, which is a great addition to any. And you can mix and match each one into your diffuser. You can even use these as colognes or perfumes if you choose to. But they are new and they are here for a limited time. You can order these individually, but my opinion, order them together because you get your bang for your buck. Now I wanted to bring this one up. It's called the Fillings Kit, and I know sometimes during the holiday season, it's not always happy times for some people because you may have lost someone or something tragic or something triggers you to where you just don't enjoy the holidays. And this fillings kit is amazing and it will help support you through your emotional time, whatever it may be. And it does work. I'm just going to say it doesn't take the pain away, but you will be able to withhold and withstand your feelings in a more positive way. In this kit, you will get forgiveness, harmony, inner child, present time, release, and valor. All of these are different essential oils. They smell amazing, and when you combine them together, they work. Now, with this kit, if you do decide to order this one, this will get you to that 150 PV. The other ones I was showing before this one, you would have to add things to it to get to that 150 PV. But if you order this everyday oils kit, it will get you there and you wouldn't have to add things to it. It comes with some powerful essential oils that you will love. And because you spent that 150 PV, you will get that free diffuser just by ordering this one product. This kit comes with frankincense, lavender, lemon vitality, peppermint vitality, tea tree, joy, pan away, purification, stress away, and thieves vitality. All great oils to start your journey with essential oils. Thank you for watching. I hope this inspired you in wanting to start a health and wellness journey with using plant-based products. If you have any questions, please reach out. Remember, free shipping and free diffusers end November 30th. And as always, pay for your health now or pay for your sickness later. Till next time, bye for now. Love you.